Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Eric. Yes, we renthouses.com here at 724 East 37th Street. It's a two-bedroom, one bath. You can see open floor layout, nice wood flooring. Does have radiator heat, newly painted, very spacious. Make our way into the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. See a little pantry area. Take a look out back. Nice size yard here in the back. Down here in the basement, you have a partially finished basement with a washer and dryer. So we go upstairs, take a look at the bathroom. As you can see, updated, renovated bathroom, ceramic tile in the shower. Um, Make our way into the first bedroom. Nice size. Here's the second one. Give us a call, 443-380-0075. Talk to you soon.